Hello friends, we are going to write a Python program to input a single digit n, and we are going to print the three digit in the form n, n+1 and n+2. For example, if we input 5, the output should be 5, 6 and 7. We will see the input in the variable n equal to eval of input of enter the number. I am printing print three numbers are colon comma n plus 1 comma n plus 2. So I am obtaining a number and stored in the variable n eval function, which convert into appropriate numerical data type. If you enter a float, the input will return a string. Float or integer, the input will return a string that is converted into appropriate data type by the eval function. Now I am printing the three numbers are colon. This is a string followed by the values of n+1 and n+2. Next three consecutive values will get printed. Now I am going to save the program and execute it. We will see the output. Enter number. I am giving the number 7. My output is 7, 8, 9. So three consecutive numbers got printed. That's it. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel, share, comment and press the bell button. Thank you.